First, open your web browser and type in IP address of your Uniview NVR and log in, using your username and password. Select a camera in Uniview or Playback. Make sure the AcuSearch feature is enabled, otherwise the button won't show up. Once you've chosen Live View or Playback for a camera, look for the person or vehicle you want to search. Once you've figured out, click on the AcuSearch button on the bottom right. Drag the box around the subject and click on AcuSearch. The NVR will quickly scan through cameras and show you every time the target appeared. Click on the result to watch the video. You can turn up or down the similarity and the timings for accuracy, and export it if required. And that's how simple it is to use Uniview's AcuSearch feature. Faster, smarter, and more reliable than the rest, giving you the edge in video security.